Python there is an keyword with the help of which we can find out it of variable is none. Okay, then we can write if is none. If the variable is none, then if it will return true. In Python there is also a slash operator which is very similar to this. In Python, there is also slash operator which is similar to this. Okay, I will tell you. In this video, we are going to discuss about differences between them. Okay, and let's go to the computer screen and let's get started. I will be telling you is versus slash in Python. So let's see how both is and versus slash in Python. In Python, is and slash are both comparison operators. Okay, this all is and slash operators comparison that can be used to. It will be used to check if two values are equal. However, there are some important differences between the two that you should be aware of. This is operator compare the identity of two objects, while the slash operator compares the values of the objects. Okay, this means that is will only return the true if the objects begin compare the exact same object in memory, while slash will return the true it of the objects and the same value. For example, like one example, I will be copying and I will paste it and run it, and like we will see. So the output will be come to be true. Why true is coming? Like print a slash b and a is b. It is coming like true and then false. True is that and false is that. So this is a true. Okay. So it is very. In this case, a and b are two separate lists. Okay, like here you can see that have the same value. So slash return the true. However, a and b are not the same object in memory, so it returns false. Okay. One important thing to note is that in Python, string and integers are immutable. Okay, like I have told you in the string class, which means that once they are created, their value cannot be changed. This means that for strings and integers, is and slash will always return the same result. So I hope you will be understanding. So I will be copying example that and I will be pasted. So now let's see. Here A and B will be one list, and let's see. It is coming like 2 and 2. Why 2 and 2 is coming? Because here I will be like slash. Okay, not is. So it is coming like A slash B is true, is B is the true, A slash 5, B slash 5, and in this case, you know, like I have told you, in this case, A and B are both pointing to the same object in the memory. So is and slash both return true for mutable objects such as lists and dictionaries. Is and slash can behave differently. In general, you still use slash when you want to compare the values of two objects, and using when you want to check if two objects are the same object in memory. I hope this helps clarify the difference between is and slash in Python. I hope. Okay. So like I have easily like I telling you what is versus slash and what is different. And now I will be handling this flow. And a slash none, b slash none. Print a is b hashtag x, and I will be writing like one comment. Hashtag exact location of object in memory. Print a is none. Hashtag exact location of object in memory. Print a slash b should be a value. Okay. So the answer, the output means output is coming up 2. There you can see it is very easy. Very easy. When you be running here slash and slash, and what you can do when you will run. So it will give like the true. Here you can see it is very easy. And when you use like sorry, it is, I hope you will clarify what is difference between is versus slash slash. I hope I will tell you. So the true is also is coming. So it is very easy. So now here you can see it, and you will write like here is, and we also write like is. So it will giving the error. You can see it will giving the error. So identify. Okay. Run it. So it will give the error. Okay. So now I will be. So now I hope you will be clarify what is different between is versus slash slash in Python, and I hope you will be know what is and what is slash slash in Python. And one more thing I will be telling you, is and is and slash slash are both are. I will tell you. Go to the here. Notepad. Sorry. Is and slash slash is both are operator. Okay, is and both are operator. You know that. Okay, it is very important. You know that the is and is and slash slash is both are operator. Okay, so it is very important.
Is both are operator.
Okay, so I hope you will know. Like I will tell you one more time.
Is n equals is both are operator.
Okay, so it will also will tell you. Okay, so I hope you will, you know, and I will tell you one more thing. I hope you will know what are in Python is versus slash, and I hope you will be clarify what is and slash. And I will one more thing else. I will tell you all things, but if you go to the YouTube, so search our channel, name is Coded PK. Click here, subscribe and click the notification bell, all the notification bell, and go to the playlist and go to the Python, and here again when you will be open it like that. So please see all the videos, okay, and like that, and please all press the notification bell, because your video I will be, when I will upload any video, so notification will be come. So I hope you will be clarify what is and slash slash and is and slash slash is operator. So and please access this playlist and bookmark it. And now I'll meet you next class and next very amazing class. And your surprise is coming. Just wait, the surprise will come on the Sunday or Monday. I doesn't know, but or Saturday also. So now I will meet you next class and next very amazing class for today. Bye.